Today, we're going to dive into what deep squats can truly do for your body. Many people underestimate the real benefits of this exercise, thinking it's just for athletes. In reality, it's a powerful tool that can enhance your entire body and overall health. Now, if you're wondering how something so simple can deliver such profound results, don't worry. Let's explore together what happens when you make deep squats a habit, and how it can completely transform your body and your view of health. Number 1. Deep squat. The deep squat is so much more than just lowering your body down. It's a natural movement that revives an ability many of us have lost over time due to modern life and sedentary habits. When you perform a deep squat, your body relearns how to use its full range of mobility. Consistently practicing this exercise helps combat joint stiffness and the lack of flexibility that can result from long hours spent in chairs and on couches. Imagine, for example, squatting down to tie your shoes without discomfort or pain. That's the kind of benefit a deep squat offers, without needing expensive equipment or hours in the gym. This natural movement not only improves joint health, but also provides essential muscle strengthening for daily life. Even for beginners, the deep squat is accessible because it can be adapted to your fitness level. Regular practice strengthens key muscles like the glutes and quadriceps, and it's an excellent low-impact option for anyone looking to avoid excessive joint strain. Believe it or not, the deep squat can be that transformative exercise many people seek, bringing not just strength but also relief from common back, hip, and even knee pain. When it comes to mobility and flexibility, the impact of this exercise is even more evident. The deep squat stands out as one of the most effective ways to improve these areas. During execution, your body stretches naturally, especially in the hips, legs, and lower back. This happens because, by holding the position, these muscles are encouraged to adapt and gain greater range of motion. For those who have struggled to bend down to pick something up or to reach their feet comfortably, consistent deep squat practice can bring a noticeable change. Your body starts to respond better to simple, everyday tasks, which makes a significant difference in quality of life. One interesting point is that this improvement in mobility extends beyond just the squat. It spills over into other physical activities and even everyday movements. Runners or weightlifters, for instance, will notice how increased flexibility makes these movements easier to perform. And for those just starting out, the deep squat is an excellent way to prepare the body for more challenging exercises. By incorporating this practice into your routine, you may notice a difference even when doing stretches that once seemed impossible. Number 2. Strengthening the body. This exercise isn't just about mobility, it's a powerful ally for building muscle strength. When performing the deep squat, multiple areas of the body are engaged, particularly the leg muscles, glutes, and core, which includes the abs and lower back muscles. This chain activation ensures that your body works in an integrated way, promoting a significant gain in strength. For beginners, this is a fantastic way to build a solid foundation before moving on to more complex exercises. Moreover, consistently practicing the deep squat can serve as a benchmark for tracking progress, as over time, you'll likely be able to squat deeper and with greater ease. The beauty of the deep squat lies in its simplicity and effectiveness. Compared to other strength exercises, like deadlifts or leg presses, it requires minimal equipment and can be done almost anywhere. This makes it an ideal choice for those looking to optimize their workout routine without extra complications. And don't overlook posture. A well-executed squat not only builds strength but also helps maintain correct posture, preventing injuries and discomfort. As you strengthen your body, it becomes more resilient, capable of handling daily demands and even more intense physical activities. Number 3. Benefits for joints. When discussing deep squats, the positive impact they have on joint health can't be ignored. Performing this exercise acts like a gentle massage for the hip, knee, and ankle joints. This natural movement helps lubricate these areas, promoting healthy joints and preventing stiffness that many people experience, especially those who spend long hours seated. The deep squat reduces friction, a primary source of discomfort and pain. For those who have experienced joint pain, it's an excellent opportunity for recovery. A major benefit of the deep squat is its low-impact nature, meaning it's accessible to nearly anyone, regardless of fitness level. This makes it especially suitable for those seeking a safe way to stay active. A good approach is to start with partial squats and, as strength and flexibility improve, progress to deeper squats. This not only preserves joint health, but also provides relief from the common aches and pains associated with a sedentary lifestyle. Over time, Many people report significant improvements in their daily routines, feeling freer to move without the limitations they once faced. Number 4. Relief from pain caused by a sedentary lifestyle. In a world where a sedentary lifestyle is increasingly common, the deep squat emerges as an effective solution to counter the harmful effects of inactivity. Joint and muscle stiffness is a frequent issue for those who spend long hours sitting. Simply standing up and performing a deep squat can offer immediate relief. This exercise not only boosts circulation, but also stretches and relaxes muscles that become tense after prolonged periods in a chair. For example, office workers can incorporate squat breaks, making it a healthy, revitalizing habit. Moreover, by making deep squats a regular part of the daily routine, people often notice reduced pain in the back, hips, and legs. Consistent practice not only helps alleviate these discomforts, but also promotes an overall sense of well-being. Many who embrace this routine report a transformative experience, realizing how small actions can make a significant difference in their health. As the benefits of deep squats become more apparent, understanding proper technique is key to maximizing results and avoiding injury. Number 5. Proper technique for maximizing benefits. Correct technique is essential to ensure you reap all the benefits safely and effectively. When it comes to deep squats, proper form is crucial to gain the benefits without risking injury. The ideal stance begins with feet shoulder-width apart, toes slightly pointed outward. As you initiate the movement, make sure your knees don't go past your toes. This not only protects your knees, but also ensures an efficient movement. As you lower yourself, go slowly, as if sitting down on an invisible chair. This helps activate your leg and glute muscles more effectively. For beginners, starting with a reduced range of motion is fine. As flexibility improves, you can gradually go deeper. Also, pay attention to breathing while performing deep squats. Inhale as you lower, exhale as you rise. This technique helps maintain rhythm and provides extra core support, which is crucial for proper execution. As you get comfortable with this technique, you can explore variations of the deep squat to match your fitness level. Not only does this make the exercise more dynamic, but it also helps keep your motivation high. Number 6. Incorporating the deep squat into your daily routine. Incorporating deep squats into your daily routine might seem challenging, but with a few simple strategies, it becomes not only possible but also enjoyable. An effective trick is to find moments throughout the day to take small breaks for squats. For example, while watching your favorite show, why not try doing a few reps during each commercial break? These small additions help turn deep squats into a habit without requiring much time or effort. Another way to adapt this exercise into daily life is to turn routine activities into squat opportunities. This approach not only activates your muscles, but also makes the task more fun and dynamic. As you get used to including deep squats in your life, you'll start to notice not only improvements in strength and flexibility, but also an increasing sense of energy and well-being. Consistency is key, and over time, the benefits will multiply, transforming how you feel and move. And as you deepen your squat practice, the connection between this exercise and injury prevention becomes an important consideration. Number 7. Injury prevention and long-term muscle health. Regular practice of deep squats is a cornerstone for injury prevention and maintaining muscle health over time. This exercise serves as a true shield against common injuries that can occur during intense physical activities. Imagine an athlete who, by keeping up with a deep squat routine, not only enhances their performance but also protects against future issues like back pain or knee injuries. This proactive approach is essential for anyone looking to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle. Moreover, preserving muscle and joint health becomes crucial as we age. Over time, the body naturally loses muscle mass, and flexibility decreases. Incorporating deep squats into your routine not only combats these effects, but also promotes active, healthy aging. Studies show that activities involving muscle strengthening are vital for longevity and quality of life. By adopting deep squats, you're not just investing in your current health, but also securing a vibrant, limitation-free future.